Hello friends, today we have ordered one tripod. So this is Amazon Basics tripod. This is lightweight 50 inches tripod within 1000 rupees. This is the best one. Even I have gone through a lot of reviews and it looks good, and there's good feedback on Amazon website. So let's unbox today and see how it looks, and the quality and all those things we'll cover in this video. So please watch until the end of the video. So if you look at on this product, so if you see, so there's Amazon Basics. So there are a lot of products on this for this Amazon Basics, and also there's basic product information. So the imported and marketed by, and also manufactured by. So it looks like this is country of origin is China. So as per our government norms, I think whatever the product we are importing from other countries, so they had to mention where it is manufactured and what is the origin of the country. And it is a really good step from the government, because we are losing a lot of revenue if they don't mention the country of origin. So at the import side or the custom side, so they will not come to know, and they can't apply whatever the charges. So it's really good step, and on every product I think we have to see whether the country of origin is mentioned or not. If it is not mentioned, then we need to escalate, or we need to inform to the respective Amazon customer care service. So yes, let's look at the product. So we got a bag. It's very handy and very nice, the black bag. And let's open. So this is just to hold the tripod. So inside it's one cover. Let's open it. The color is nice, and also on the product, so Amazon Basics it is mentioned. Look at this. So it's kind of a bubble indicator to know what slope it is, so we can easily identify, and if it is perfect 180 degrees, the bubble it will be in center. So let's see. And then this is some 3 clips they have given, and 3 level extensions. So this is the max. So after extending all those 3 legs and 3 levels, so this is the full height, and again on top of that, so we can even extend more. So let's extend that. So this is the screw they have given, and see, you can even extend more. So as they mentioned, so it is exactly 50 inches. So even after extending this one, it's perfectly 50 inches. And by default they have given only the camera holder. Basically this tripod, most of the people they use it for only for camera, but we don't have an advanced camera, but we are using at present only the mobile. So even we have ordered one mobile holder. So let's install the mobile holder on top of it. So how to install, let's see. So this is the clip they have given, and also there is a cap on top of it they have given. So let's install that cap to the mobile holder. So this is the mobile holder. We bought it on Amazon. So on this they have mentioned $7.99, but I think we got it for around 350 rupees. This is a made in India product, so the line. I really like this made in India products. I wish a lot of companies should come in India and they should manufacture, and they should provide a lot of employment in India itself for all electronics products in India. They should make a manufacturing hub. So this is the holder, and this is the cap they have given along with the tripod itself, but we have already installed. So this is the screw, so we need to just lift and rotate it to fit the holder, and this is the holder. A simple installation. This clip, and so we have to tighten this clip. That's it. Very easy. Open the clip and just put it inside and just close the clip. This is the height adjustment for the mobile holder. Can adjust the height. So adjust as per the height, and then again tight this screw. That's it. It's done. Yes. So this one, we can move the positions and we can rotate. Just to rotate, so we have to loosen this screw, and then we can rotate 360 degrees. And again tight this one. If we want, we can reduce the height. Whatever the height, we can keep it. It's really useful, I can say. Thanks guys for watching this video.